In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up security alerts in your Bank of America account for 2025. Keeping your financial information secure is incredibly important, and setting up alerts is a great way to monitor your account activity easily. So, let's get started on ensuring your account is safe and secure. First, you want to open up the Bank of America mobile banking app on your device. Once you've done that, go ahead and sign in using your online ID and passcode. If you're not already signed up for online banking, you'll need to set that up first on the Bank of America website. Once you're logged into the app, head over to the menu. You'll find the menu icon on the top left corner of your screen, which looks like 3 stacked horizontal lines. Give that a tap, and it will open up a list of different options for you. From there, you're going to scroll down until you see Profile and Settings. Tap on that, and you'll enter the place where you can adjust all things related to your account preferences and notifications. When you're in Profile and Settings, look for the section marked Security. Under that category, you'll find an option called Manage Alerts, or sometimes labeled as Security Alerts. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where you can view and customize the different types of alerts you can receive from Bank of America. You'll then see a list of various alert types available, such as login alerts, which notify you whenever there's a login attempt on your account, unusual activity alerts for any transactions that seem out of the ordinary, password changes to keep you informed if someone tries to change your password, and transaction notifications for regular updates about your banking activity. Toggle on the alerts that you want to activate by switching them to the on position. After you have decided on which alerts work best for you, the next step is to confirm how you'd like to receive these notifications. Make sure your contact information is correct, as you can choose to receive alerts via email, text message, or even app notifications. This flexibility allows you to pick the method that suits your lifestyle and ensures you don't miss any critical alerts. This setup allows you to keep a close eye on your account at all times, giving you peace of mind knowing that you'll be swiftly informed of any important updates or suspicious activity. Take a moment to review the alert settings periodically and adjust them if your preferences change. And there you have it. Setting up security alerts on your Bank of America account is straightforward and a crucial step in protecting your finances. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay vigilant about your account security. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials. Stay safe.